Royal Enfield has unveiled the Bear 650, a fresh scrambler that builds upon the company's well-known 650cc platform, particularly inspired by the Interceptor 650. While it shares the same chassis, the Bear 650 incorporates several significant modifications that set it apart. The Bear retains the Interceptor's chassis but features a revised suspension and new wheel sizes, transitioning from the original 18-inch wheels to a more scrambler-friendly setup of 19-inch at the front and 17-inch at the rear. The suspension has been upgraded, featuring a Showa USD fork akin to that on the shotgun, but tailored with different internals. The rear is equipped with new dual shock absorbers. Notably, suspension travel has been increased from 110mm and 88mm on the Interceptor to 130mm and 115mm, resulting in a taller seat height of 830mm, the highest among the 650 series. The Bear 650 utilizes the same 648cc parallel twin engine found in its siblings. However, it features a revised 2-in-1 exhaust system, resulting in an increase in torque from 52 Nm to 56.5 Nm at 5150 rpm, while peak power remains steady at 47 horsepower at 7250 rpm. Despite these enhancements, the Bear 650 weighs in at 216 kilograms, just 2 kilograms lighter than the Interceptor. This is attributed to the new suspension and wheel setup, as well as bracing in the chassis to handle light off-road riding. The Bear 650 rolls on new MRF Nilo Rex block pattern tires mounted on spoked wheels, though it does not offer a tubeless option. The braking system includes a 320mm front disc similar to the Interceptor's, while the rear disc has been enlarged from 240mm to 270mm. Additionally, the bike is equipped with dual-channel ABS, which can be disabled at the rear. The ergonomics have been reworked to enhance rider comfort, featuring a wider handlebar and repositioned foot pegs. Visually, the Bear 650 establishes its own identity with unique wheel sizes and a scrambler-style seat that has a slight rear kick. It maintains familiar round LED head and tail lamps from previous Royal Enfield models and is outfitted with new LED indicators. The raised ground clearance now measures 184mm, adding to its rugged aesthetic. One of the notable upgrades is the instrument console, which replaces the simple dual-pod setup of the Interceptor with a modern circular TFT display borrowed from the Guerrilla and Himalayan. This display supports Google Maps and is navigated through new switchgear. The Royal Enfield Bear 650 is poised to capture the attention of scrambler enthusiasts with its distinct design, upgraded features, and robust performance. It will be available in 5 different color options, with pricing set to be revealed on November 5th.